The world is changing fast. The pace of business is accelerating. Data volume is exploding. And financial leaders face increasing pressure to ensure transparent and accurate reporting, while driving both top-line and bottom-line growth. Traditional methods are no longer enough. The future demands intelligence-driven financial decisions. We are at a pivotal moment where technology meets transformation, giving CFOs, controllers, and auditors a generational opportunity to lead their organizations into the future. MindBridge AI delivers real-time analysis of 100% of transactions, eliminating blind spots and strengthening internal controls. Gain instant access to key insights that keep you ahead of the competition. Financial decision intelligence isn't just about automation, it's about empowerment. With an AI-driven centralized insights factory, you can detect risks, uncover opportunities, and streamline compliance, all with confidence. No more guesswork, no more reactive strategies, just clear, intelligent decision-making that grows revenue, reduces costs, and optimizes cash flow. Don't be left behind. Change the game with MindBridge AI. The future of financial integrity is now.